So now the 14th one, discuss the continuity of the function f when f is defined as, here the interval is a closed interval, that is it is from 0 to 10. Now 0 to 1 it is given as 3, 1 to 3 it is 4, 3 to 10 it is 5. So it is because of the closed interval. There are so many cases here. First we have to check at 0 end point. Previously we had less than 2, greater than 2, like that. Here there is an end here, and here also there is an end point. So we have to check at 0, that is first one. Then from 0 to 1, then at 1, then 1 to 3, then at 3, then 3 to 10, then at 10. So there are 7 places, 7 cases we have to check. 7 cases. So let us just write case 1 at 0. Case 1 is at x is equal to 0. Now because it is at the end, you need to check only the right limit at 0 and the right of 0. Here this end you have to check at 10 and the left, because left of 0 the function doesn't exist, so we need not check. The domain is from 0 to 10. So let us check at 0. So f of 0 is, what is f of 0? At 0 the function is very clearly given, it is 3. So f of 0 is 3. Now the right hand limit only we have to check. So limit x tends to 0 plus of the function. So right of 0 the function is given as 3. Okay, so the limit value, limit at 0 is equal to the functional value, that is equal to 3. Therefore the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now from 0 to 3, at 0 we have checked. So now the case 2 is 0 to 1. 0 to 1, this place. So that place the function is given as a constant. It's given as a constant. So it is a constant. So constant function is always continuous. That is case 2. Now case 3 is at 1. Case 3 at 1. So at 1, f of 1, the function at 1 is, see at 1 what is the function value given? 3. Okay, equal to 1 they are given 3. So at 1 the function value is f. So f of 1 is given as 3. Now we have to find the left of 1 and the right of 1. Okay, so left of 1, left hand limit. So the left hand limit is limit x tends to 1 minus of f of x. So the left of 1 is, the function is given as 3, and right of 1 it is 4. Now the right hand limit is limit x tends to 1 plus of f of x. So it is 4. So the left hand limit is not equal to the right hand limit. Therefore the function is not continuous. It is not continuous at x is equal to 1. So that is very important. It is not continuous at x is equal to 1. So it is case 3. So at 1 we check. Now 1 to 3. 1 to 3 is a constant function. 1 less than x less than 3, f of x is given as 4. It is a constant. Therefore f of x is continuous. So 1 to 3 is over. At 3, at x is equal to 3. So f of 3 is given as, so at 3 the function is 5. You can see at 3, x is equal to 3, the function is 5. So at 3 the function is 5, and let us check the left hand limit. The left hand limit is limit x tends to 3 minus of f of x. Then we check the right hand limit, that is limit x tends to 3 plus of f of x. So left hand limit is, the left of 3 it is 4, right of 3 it is 5. It is 5. So left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, therefore the function is not continuous at x is equal to 3. At x is equal to 3, the function is not continuous. Then 3 to 10. From 3 less than x less than 10, the function is 5. So 5 is a constant function, therefore it is continuous. Now next case 7, that is at x is equal to 10, the end point. So at x is equal to 10, f of 10 is given as 5. Okay, at 10 the function is given as 5. Just check the left hand limit. For this side you check the left hand limit. So f of 10 is 5. The left hand limit is enough. The left hand limit is limit x tends to 10 minus of f of x, that is given as 5. So limit exists, and limit value is equal to the functional value. So the function is continuous at x is equal to 10. It's a similar one. Less than 0, 0 to 1, greater than 0. So we have to check at 0, 1 and greater than 1. So here less than 0. First case 1 is x is less than 0. So less than 0, f of x is 2x. 2x is a polynomial, or you can write it is a linear function. It is a linear function, therefore it is continuous. At 0 we have to check now. At 0, at x is equal to 0. So at x is equal to 0, we have to find the left hand limit. First let us find f of 0. F of 0 is, see, at 0 it is given as 0. So we have to find the left hand limit, that is limit x tends to 0 minus of f of x. So that is limit x tends to 0 minus left of 0, it is 2x. See, left of 0 it is 2x. So it is 2x, substitute x as 0, you get 0. Now the right hand limit x tends to 0 plus of f of x, that is limit x tends to 0 plus, the right side is 0, they have given it as 0 itself. Okay. So less than 0 it is 0, right of 0 it is 0. So the left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit, and limit exists, and limit value is also equal to the function value. Therefore the function is continuous at x is equal to 0. 0 to 1. from 0 to 1. At 0 we have checked, we are going to check at 1, so just write in between interval. So 0 to 1, it is constant, f of 0, it is 0 only. F of x is 0, it is a constant. Therefore, it's a continuous function. At 1, so f of 1 is 0. See, f of 1, the function is 0. Left hand limit x tends to 1, f of x. So the left of 1, it is given as 0. Left of 1, the function is 0. Right of 1, it is 4x. The right hand limit is limit x tends to 1 plus. So limit x tends to 1 plus of 4x is equal to 4 we are getting, right? So LHL is not equal to right hand limit. Therefore limit doesn't exist. The function is not continuous at x is equal to 1. The last, greater than 1, the function f of x is 4x. 4x is a linear function, therefore it is continuous. So the function is not continuous at x is equal to 1.